Yo, he opened his eyes like, what the fuck was that? Like he didn't just take a shit on my leg. Oh my god. Yo, stop. So today was an eventful day with the family. So earlier this week was my birthday on the 1st, and my girl ended up surprising me with my favorite pair of 4s. But it gets a little more spicy than just the white cement 4s. She took it a step further. White cement 4s has always been one of those pairs that I just love indefinitely. I remember having these before, and I actually ended up wearing them so much that the wing broke off. So the fact that I got them back in my collection, that speaks for itself. But like I said before, she took it a step further. She got my little Bubba a pair. So this is probably the cutest I've ever seen in my life. Look at these. Baby ended up getting us matching pairs. This is the first pair I officially have with my little man, and I'm so happy it's these right here, because honestly, whenever he's running around with this pair, it'll just bring me joy. Say hi, Bubba. So this is honestly a type of video that I don't typically make on the channel, and I'm excited that I'm gonna end up going out today so that I can vlog for y'all, just show y'all a little insight on my family, which is not something that I typically ever do. But the premises of this video is my girl ended up getting me and Bubba matching shoes. Like, look at the cuteness on these right here. Come on. You excited to wear these with Poppy? You don't want to say anything. You nervous? It's okay. I'm just looking at the camera. Say hi. Nah, he's not feeling it, y'all. Hopefully one day he get a little more comfortable. We got thumbnail. We got thumbnail, Bubba. Tell me he not gonna look cute in these, bro. He might be the most handsome baby in the world. Look at this little dude. I bless you, Bubba. Right? Say hi. Say hi to the people. He's like, what is this contraption? The lights are making me hot, Dad. God bless you. And then to tell them, it's okay. We'll see y'all soon. We're about to go out, so hopefully I actually end up filming for y'all. Say hi.
Hi. Remember me? It's been so long. I probably thought I disappeared.
But he just appeared.
If you're a real one, you'll know.
Yeah, it's been a while. Like years.
I'm still here.
Now he's here.
And now we have a baby. Our little rainbow baby. Today we're going to take you along with us. We are going to New York City. Yay! Dad's birthday.
Yeah.
All right, let's finish getting ready. So if you guys don't know, if you have a baby, it takes
half a day
to get ready. And we've been up since 10 in the morning. He slept till 10 in the morning, which is amazing. Yeah. He went to bed at like, his last feed was like at 1, and then he woke up at 10 in the morning, which is crazy.
That's
He's a 2-month-old baby. This is Atlas.
Say hi.
He was born on July 13th, and this is our son. Oh my god, that's so crazy.
Sounds crazy to say, yeah.
So it takes forever. You have to pack everything. He's a breastfed baby, so it's more extra things you have to pack. The shoe.
Look at his belly, bro.
Atlas is a healthy baby.
Yeah. Today's gonna be a fun day.
We're trying to embrace every single moment, and then we can look back at things like this and just remember. Kids grow like
so fast.
Super fast. He's already about to be 3 months.
Like, look at his belly.
I'm dying.
Come on.
Let's finish getting ready because it's almost 3.
It's like 2:30.
All right, so let's go.
Say bye. You're gonna do a little dance. Yo, he is mesmerized with y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all leave a like down below. Matter of fact, Atlas, let him know. Leave a like. Leave a like for Dad, please. Subscribe to the channel. Look, he nodded, bro. I'm telling y'all, subscribe. Let me know if y'all want to see any more content with my family. This is probably what I would be more excited to film than anything else. And you know how sometimes you get nervous doing things when it's something new and you're changing stuff up? That's kind of how I feel with this, but it almost makes me feel like I'm on the right track. So if y'all doing up enjoying this video, it would highly be appreciated if y'all showed love in the comments for my little Bubba, because I would love to share my family with y'all. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit, actually, right? We're gonna go on a trip today. Yeah. Hey, bye. All right, so we made it to the city after a long time of preparation. We're here, baby. Yeah. We made it. And look, the best part, Mr. Stretch Armstrong over here. He's so handsome, Bubba. You're at Central Park. Bubba's like, whoa, cool building. I know, Bubba. Yo, he opened his eyes like, what the fuck was that?
Language and playing your stuff.
It's okay. It's 2025. That's the least of his concerns.
Hey, Bubby.
Bubba is unfazed, bruh. This isn't something new, but Bubba always falls asleep when we do the fun stuff for the most part. And right now we're at probably the best part in Central Park. Right, baby? Would you agree?
Yeah.
Our favorite part? Well, besides the rowboats, but right now, as you can see, that would be a little intense. We made it to the fountain. Oh, it's another step. All right, Bubba, we're getting your first painting.
No, why? Why picture for somebody's baby? No.
Yeah.
Some people don't like to be filmed.
Yeah, that's why I'd rather ask before I do it. Hi, Bubba. Hi. How you doing, Bubba? Hi. Hi.
And he did it.
Bubba, it's your favorite time of day? Yeah? Want Papi to finish? We made it to the fountain. We even got baby's painting. We got baby a little painting.
I don't know.
I don't know either, baby.
I like how he did his eye. All right, we made a pit stop and we're feeding the baby.
His favorite time of the day. Next to the fountain. So something I realized is we could come anywhere with little Bubba and he still just has his favorite time of the day. So he's like, as long as I have my milk, everything is great. Look at his hand. He's like, remove my milk, watch what's gonna happen.
So nice out.
I know, it's a beautiful day today. And just like that, he just blew it up on my leg, bro. It might be all over. Look at the casualness in his face right now. Like he didn't just take the shit on my leg. Oh my God. Oh, is his ass wet?
Let me see. He's back. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yo, stop.
You have to take him off your shirt.
All right. So we handled the situation. After his tropical explosion, he's now looking like this. He is in cozy wear. You're probably gonna take
So note to self.
Bring like 10 fits.
And bring an outfit for yourself.
Yeah,
People always forget.
'Cause he almost dookied on me. Thank God it wasn't bad, but yeah, I'm talking about you, buddy. Yeah, you almost pooped on Papi. It's okay, because I love you, Papa.
Right now, we're here.
This is mine too.
It is currently, what time is it?
You know what this music reminds me of?
Your bedtime.
Papa.
Oh. No, I reminds me of his bedtime.
All right, Papa, this is your first time at the Central Park Fountain. How you feel about that, Papa?
Okay.
All right, so for the spontaneous stop, we ended up at the Met. And over here, Mr. Bubba almost had another tropical explosion. So as soon as we walked in, my man's like, y'all want to enjoy yourself? Give me some milk. And look at him now. Rubbing his belly. Yeah.
We're at the Met. The last time we've been here was in March.
Pre-Bubba.
Yes, we were 5 months pregnant.
Yeah.
And now
We have Mr.
the
Bubba.
baby. Oh wow. We have a whole show going on.
We made it. This is our favorite part we're going to.
It's one of my favorite movies is When Harry Met Sally. And
Oh, dang, I forgot the ride. Why am I blanking on the name of the ride?
Guardian?
Your favorite ride? No, Universal. The Mummy.
The Mummy? Wow.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
He's like, what the heck are you talking
That's the
about?
Mummy's favorite ride.
Every time we come here, it's about to close. So it's kind of nice coming at night
Yes.
on a Saturday. We always come like on a Sunday.
And I mean, like, you gotta rush through
And
everything.
they close at 6. So
Even though today they close at 9, but we had a little circumstance.
good.
Ooh, we gotta show them this. The big things.
You like art? You're gonna be coming here.
Show them the big thingy. You can see some of the men.
Wow. Baby.
He's like, whoa, what an eventful day. Whoa, it's dark in here. What you think, baby? This is where we low key? Alright, Bubba, this is our favorite spot at the Met.
You wanna park our car and walk? Hello, buddy.
Say hi, mama. Yeah, look at this big thing. It's huge. Oh, it's huge. Yeah.
Yes.
Want to see the other one? But we end up playing Jesus. You like it?
Wow. Whoa. I feel like every time I come here, I'm like skimming through.
But we don't ever get to like.
Actually, like, there's a clock up there. I never knew it. Bless you, Bubby. A clock. I don't think I ever go through over there either. Yeah.
All right, Bubba. We are in Churchlandia. He's like, oh, that's cool. Okay.
This is a necklace in Germany. That's the necklace that he made. Where the floor creaks.
All right, Bubba. I wonder if in another lifetime this is where you come from. Yeah. Bubba, you know that back then they used to be like, hello, ladies.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
This is probably one of my favorite times. It's weird to say, but I would kind of rather live in that. But
poops behind curtains.
That's what I'm about to say. I don't know, bro. That curtain will be, this curtain right here will be full of dookie. Hold on. That curtain right there will be full of dookie in the back. That's probably why they got it on the chair. I'm not gonna lie.
No, they never took baths. Oh, this was different.
Changing it around. Oof, that horse is fire.
There was a bed here before.
Fun fact. Calvin's room used to be painted this color. Close your eyes, baby. You heard?
Why are you not sleepy?
He's like, I'm not gonna miss this.
She's shivering, baby.
He's literally looking at everything. He's so funny.
Look, isn't that Julius Caesar? No.
That look like Columbus with them rolls. I don't know who this is, but his nose, he got that thing. He got that Pinocchio nose. I don't know what you're talking about, but his nose, he can probably smell what's going on right now. That's pretty sick. Door type thing. What even is that? There's mad new stuff I haven't seen. Yo, he is chilling, bro. That's the mirror that tell you what you want to see in Harry Potter. What you see, baby?
I see myself winning the golden cup. You liar!
What you see, Bubba? Some milk?
Baby.
It's crazy how you could come to the Met mad times and still feel like you haven't seen everything. Where? You know they found like skeletons of people this size? I think it was in Colombia or some shit like that. I'm gonna try to find it for y'all, but it's kind of crazy how people this size actually might have existed. So today was an eventful day with the family. And as y'all can see, we ended the night right.
Hey, look.
What? We ended the night real right with a little bit of pizza. The only pizza. Matter of fact,
New York pizza.
The only reason we really out here today, if we being honest.
If you're a real one, you know what pizza this is.
Should I gatekeep? Don't tell them nothing?
I'm just gonna say Bowery.
Boy, matter of fact, y'all subscribe to me from Supreme Day, so y'all should probably know where this is from. This shit right here will make you drive from Jersey. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at this. Crazy.
Put you out though. Low key, back in the day when I would do my pickups for Supreme in the city, I would wait, you know, because it wasn't my time slot, so I'll come get pizza.
Shit slide?
Yep.
Shit
The square
different.
pizza.
Yeah, like the grandma style. It's different, bro. I'm done yapping though. Low key, this is the point where I wouldn't even film it and show y'all. Shout out to Bae. She held me accountable. Baby could probably smell that shit. He like, yo, let me get a piece. Oh shit, hold on, we gotta dip.